Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how you can customize watermark. You have to go for the camera, tap on the right up corner, move to the settings and find the watermark. When you are here, we have to hit customize watermark, and as you can see here we can add 14 marks to the Chinese characters or 18 letters. So I will type here hard reset. Click save and just take a look. When you take a photo and go for that photo, our watermark will be customized. As you can see, it's very simple. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.